Hey everybody, country girl here from real Jamaican life. Currently I'm in the hospital. I had to bring my husband down here. I was here from yesterday evening, and I'm just about to leave to go home now. He's admitted, unfortunately. He started feeling some numbness in his body yesterday and a lot of pain all over his body and his fingers. He can't move, he can't walk on his own. Basically can't do anything on his own right now.
Morning everyone. Wake up on yourself. Stay true to God.
Can't really talk much right now, but no, eat something. But yeah, as I promised, I was showing him. There he is. Just help me to pray that he comes out of the hospital very soon. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for subscribing, for sharing. Just continue to support us. Just stay tuned and don't leave God out of anything that you're doing. Real Jamaican life, we're out with Country Girl.